right, dinner time. A gyro, Greek salad, ouzo. Patty's got the plate. Greece, they tend to put French fries in them too. So good. And the tzatziki sauce that they put in there makes my mouth water just thinking about it. This tzatziki sauce. So amazing. Then there's the spanakopita. Spanakopita is a cheese pie made with phyllo dough with spinach and feta usually in it. So yummy. People love spanakopita. Everyone loves spanakopita. If you love spinach and you love feta and you love pie, spanakopita is your thing. The other cheese pie that I love, and I eat it for breakfast wherever I can find it when I'm in Greece, is teropita. Teropita is like spanakopita, but no spinach in it. And it's made with different cheeses and different pie crusts, phyllo dough, everywhere. Some people make it in bars. Some people make it in like a round pastry. Some people make it in squares. It is literally one of my favorite things. And one of my favorite things to make as well is teropita. And then when you're in Greece, everywhere you go has octopus on the menu. The octopus is, oh gosh, so good. Melt in your mouth octopus. You have to try the octopus. The way they make it, with a little lemon on it, it is fantastic. Don't forget to try the octopus when you're in Greece. Another thing that's very, very popular in Greece is Kalamata olives. Kalamata olives and feta cheese can be served everywhere you go. So yummy. And it's kind of a nice little appetizer to have the Kalamata olives. Kalamata olives were made on the mainland of Greece in the Peloponnese in a town village called Kalamata. That is where they are raised. And they are salty and yummy and so good. Kalamata olives, I never have a moment in my house where there's not Kalamata olives in my refrigerator. They're great in Greek salads. They're fantastic. People love is the domades. Domades are grape leaves stuffed with meat and ground meat, and they are so good. Domades are something that people love. They're my favorite, but a lot of people really love the domades. You have to try the domades when you're in Greece. Then another one of my favorite appetizers in Greece is tarama salata. Tarama salata is a caviar spread. It's usually pink or white, or here when we get it in the United States, it's very pink. It's almost like it's a caviar, pink caviar, little fish eggs, and cream cheese kind of mix. It's really good to put on pita bread or crackers or bread. I can eat an entire jar of tarama salata. Tarama salata is, I don't know, just one of my very favorites. I love tarama salata. And of course, pita bread. Pita bread is a thing in Greece. And you know, I am gluten intolerant. I've never been diagnosed with celiac. So if you have celiac, I don't totally recommend you even try this. But I am very gluten intolerant. I cannot eat gluten in the United States. I cannot eat a normal piece of bread in the United States without having extreme abdominal issues for days. But in Greece, I can eat their bread. I can eat the pita bread. I can eat the pastries. I can eat the phyllo dough. I can eat everything in Greece. Don't know what it is. Clearly a different way of making things. More handmade, not so mass-produced. They do not have Kroger or Ralph's or Albertsons or Walmart on every corner to go run in and buy your groceries that are made in a factory. Much of the pastries and the breads and everything in Greece are made by people. One of the reasons why I really think I can tolerate bread in Greece. Makes me want to move there. I love my bread. And in the United States, I'm like, can't have that. Can't have that. Can't have those crackers. So definitely, if you're gluten intolerant and you're not celiac, you might want to just try one little bite of pita bread and see how you do when you're in Greece. This is not nurse advice. This is just my advice from what I knew I was able to do. And I've heard a lot of people. And the reason I did it was because other people said when they're in Greece, they can eat it. So give it a whirl if you dare. You might be pleasantly surprised. And of course, olive oil. I always bring home my olive oil. The olive oil here in the United States does not taste like the olive oil in Greece. It is so good. So good. It's made there. It's processed there. It's just, it has a buttery, rich flavor that have never had here. I've never had here in the U.S. The yummy taste of olive oil, like the olive oil there is. And of course, you want to try the fish. There is some amazing fish in Greece.